All right, I'm here at Hollywood Square, 7220. Not sure what street this is, but we're in the suburbs, or in Markham. Cafe Hollywood, I'm gonna give it. I've been here. I'm with my brother. He won't be on camera, but this is his go-to place. I've been here before, but it's been a while. So we're gonna go in here, have some lunch. And here's the menu. Alright, this is the Yeung Chow fried rice. Look at all that. Shrimp, barbecue pork. You don't really need, and the egg. You don't really need a side order of a meat dish at all. This is perfect. Yeah, no. Yeah. So I'm gonna share this with my brother. Got it.
Dig in.
Yeah, we're gonna dig in. Look at the big pieces of barbecue pork. Amazing. Looks good. Very good. Take your bite. Mmm, yummy.